San Diego Ancestral House. Isang bahay na bato o kahoy, House of Wood and Coral Stones.
And this is the house of Juan Yap and Maria Floredo, the earliest known occupant and past in these siblings, Maria, Ellen Trecio,
and Consolacion. You can see the house is all of made of wood and stones. So you can see that there are all everything is antiques. The harp is antique. Then chairs are antiques, and also the designs for the hall is antique. Hindi naman siguro design. Day ano ka sa kwarto day kay nato bihog katong last mo naman.
Napa din kwarto? Si biholan din.
Ano ka sa kwarto day? Old room.
This is the old cabinet style.
This is an old crib. Sa mga sinaunang tao. Sinaunang panahon de. Old style sa buwan. Bedroom. Bed. Old style bed.
Yes.